This video is with regards to the addition of matrices. In a previous video, we were introduced to the concept of matrices. So now we are moving on to the addition of matrices. It says in order to add matrices, they must be of the same size. So you can only add a 2 by 2 and another 2 by 2, meaning 2 rows, 2 columns, 2 rows, 2 columns. A 2 by 1 to a 2 by 1. So you cannot add a 2 by 1 to a 2 by 2. So you can only add matrices of the same size, etc. Once both matrices are of the same size, you simply add the elements that are located in the same position. Okay, so A plus C is not possible. So I'm not too sure where is A and C. Let's go lower down. Right. All right, so they must be, that A and C must be referring to those matrices in the example. So A and C are not possible because A is a 2 by 2, 2 rows, 2 columns, and C is a 2 by 1, 2 rows, 1 column. So you cannot add a 2 by 2 to a 2 by 1. Okay. So A and C is not possible, but A and B is possible because they are both 2 by 2s. So this is why the example says to find A plus B. Okay, so as you can see now, A plus B is adding a 2 by 2 and a 2 by 2, so addition is possible. So you add the elements that occupy the same position. That's what you do. Add the elements that occupy the same position. So here the working is done. So you've got 7 occupies row 1, column 1. So it must be added to -4, which also occupies row 1, column 1. And so forth and so forth. So you add 7 plus -4, here it is, -1 plus 5, okay, 3 plus 2, you cannot add 3 and 1, okay, because 3 occupies row 2 and column 1, but 1 occupies row 2, yes, but column 2, okay, so 3 must be added to 2, and 0 added to 1, here it is, and you simply add normally. 7 plus a -4, you take out 4 from 7, that's 3. -1 plus 5, you take out 1 from 5. Subtract 1 from 5, that's 4. 3 and 2 will give you 5. 0 and 1 will give you 1. So that's how you add matrices. Very simple. You only add matrices of the same size. Very straightforward.